You want to learn English, but you open your phone, and there are thousands of videos, hundreds of apps, dozens of methods, and nobody tells you where to actually begin. So you start something, stop, start again, feel lost, feel behind, and eventually, you quit. This video is different. By the end of the next 5 minutes, you will have a clear, simple roadmap. You will know exactly what to learn first, exactly what comes second, and exactly what to ignore until you're ready. No confusion, no overwhelm, just the truth about how English is actually learned. Here is the #1 mistake beginners make. They try to learn everything at once. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, listening, all at the same time. From day one, this is like trying to build a house, starting with the roof. English has a natural order, a sequence that works with your brain, not against it. When you follow this order, progress feels fast. Things start connecting. You understand why the language works the way it does. Let me show you that order now.
Learning English will not happen in a week. It will not happen in a month. But here is what will happen. After 1 week, you will know the alphabet and 100 words. After 1 month, you will make your first sentences. After 3 months, you will have your first conversation. That is real progress. The people who become fluent are not the smartest. They are not the people with the most time. They are the people who show up consistently and follow the right order. That is the only secret. Stage 2.
Subject, verb,
Structure.
object. This is the structure
This is
of
weeks
every
5 to
English
8.
sentence. We'll use a simple
Now you add
example.
3
I
things.
eat food. Drawn simply
Number 1,
like a map for your
basic
sentences.
Subject, verb, object. I eat food. She speaks English. We watch videos. Short, simple, correct. Number 2, essential verbs. Be, have, do, go, want, need, like, know. Master these. Everything gets easier. Number 3, questions and answers. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? Learn to ask. Learn to answer. That is speaking. Stage 3, growth. Month 3 and beyond. This is where most people think they should start. Grammar rules, tenses, prepositions. But this is stage 3. Not stage 1. At this stage you have roots. You have words. You have sentences. Now grammar does not confuse you. It explains what you already know. Foundation. Structure. Here is your roadmap. Stage 1, alphabet. Numbers. 100 words. Stage 2, basic sentences. Essential verbs. Questions. Stage 3, grammar. Tenses. Real conversations. Your next step is simple. The next video is lesson 1. The alphabet. It takes 5 minutes. And it is the first step. Click it now. Your English starts today.